just, all of it's just black. They're so dark. They're so dark. You get them from your mommy? You inherit them from your mommy? Yes. Where's mommy? Where's mommy?
Ada, can you find mommy?
Yeah. Ada's drooling. Ada's drooling. Ada's drooling. Ada's drooling. Ada's drooling. You want me to get you? You want me to get you? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
So I'm trying to figure it out. I just don't know yet. Just don't know yet.
I got tired of holding my head up.
Mm-hmm. You can pick her up, Grandmama. You can pick her up.
You want me to get you? I have to get up to get you. I have to get up to get you. Be careful. Get my grandgirl. Get my grandgirl. Get my grandgirl. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Who's got you now? Now you see what? You see mommy over there? You see mommy over there? Is that what you want? You want mommy over there? Oh yes. Hi there. Yeah. Hi there. Yeah. They're going to ask me why not come to breakfast with them this morning, and I'm going to have to say, well, if you was going to get your great-granddaughter, you hadn't seen her in some time, would you stay at home so you could see your granddaughter? Yes, I would. I did do. Yes.